Hi, I'm Jo, I'm the President of your Students' Union.
Hi, I'm Danielle and I'm the Vice President of Education and Welfare in the Students' Union.
This year, your Students' Union has launched the Student-Led Teaching Awards, and that gives you the chance to nominate any university staff member who's made an amazing difference to your student experience.
You can nominate online at bangorstudents.com, and we have 14 different categories that you can nominate any member of staff for. They are
Green Award,
Teacher of the Year,
International Award,
New Teacher of the Year,
Student Services Department Award,
Postgraduate Teacher of the Year,
Award for the Promotion of Employability Skills,
Award for the Promotion of Welsh Medium Education,
the Widening Access Award,
Dissertation or Thesis Supervisor of the Year,
Open Award,
Support Staff Member of the Year,
Innovation Award,
the Award for Outstanding Pastoral Support.
Well, I think a good teacher is someone who creates student participation in his classes or lectures, and also I think it's quite important that they give good feedback on your work and stuff, so you know where you're going wrong. And also, I guess, just someone who's sort of funny, easy to talk to, makes the lectures fun.
Rhywun sy'n hoffi be maen nhw'n neud a sy'n ymdiddori yn eu maes nhw.
Someone that brings the answers out of you rather than just telling you things. Someone that really engages you on a topic makes a good teacher.
I think somebody that makes a really good lecturer is somebody that gets back to your emails and gives you as much information as possible.
There are two things that I think make a really good teacher. First of all, how they are within their lecture theatre, if they present clear, understandable and engaging lectures, whether that's through a good use of PowerPoint or not using it at all, as long as it's structured and you can follow it and take notes well. But also how they behave outside of a lecture theatre. My favourite lecturers are the ones that always have an open door, or the ones that you can send an email to, the ones that are prepared to interact with you and give you a helping hand outside of the specific contact time that we have.
Rhywun sy'n rhoi lot o sylw i chi ac yn ateb eich e-bostio yn gyflym ac yn rhoi'ch help i chi pryd bynnag chi moyn e.
I feel good support staff are essential for the running of the university, because if you've got a problem, they're the people you come to, they're the ones that deal with the problem, they make you feel that it's going to get dealt with, it's going to get dealt in the correct manner, and it takes a lot of the worry away from actually knowing what's going to happen. Without them, I feel there's a lot of problems within the university that potentially could not get sorted.
Rhywun sy'n rhoi hyder i chi pan ydych chi'n teimlo'n isel am eich gwaith. Rhywun sy'n trin chi fath o oedolyn a ddim yn bychanu chi o flaen pawb.
I think someone is friendly, interesting and caring.
So, if you know someone who's made a real difference to your time at university, then nominate them for a Student-Led Teaching Award.
Nominations close on the 30th of March and you can vote at bangorstudents.com. What are you waiting for?